Sup guys? Today we're playing Grey Sox Tower. It's an hobby. I think it's hard. Let's do it. Let's do it. Is it hard? Well,
May flashlight ang camera mo.
let's do this. Let's do this. It's easy. Easy. Think here. I did it. I think that was this is. Oh, I did it. Thought I can't do it. I did it. I did it. Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh my god. Let's do it again. Yo, this guy is fast. Let's do this. Huh? Where do I go? Oh man, I fell down. Why is this deeper than this? Bro, got it wrong again. Yo! I see something. In the middle? Bruh. There's just a lot of them. Where did this go? Don't just go to the top. If this go to the top, it is nothing. I'm not doing it. It's fading. Do it. The wheel way. Oh man. How do I? Oh man. I missed it again. This is actually hard. Go to the brown tower. No, let's just do brown tower. Why is it like this? To rotate. Oh! This is much easier. Bro. Oh. And there's one. Hell yeah. Mamma mia. No! I fell down! Oh! You can do a wall jump here. I think I want to try the wall jump. You know what? No. lava. Steve lava chicken station bell. Mama sit on night ringing the bell. Please feel this in that having snack. Oh, super spicy with a lava there. Lava. Oh, this is hard, but it's easy for me. Mojo, I think this. I don't know. Oh, go. Lava. Somebody just add pen. Oh, it disappears. But I got hacks. I do not go. You girl. Just, just, uh, just go. Yeah. I think this is just a full lobby. Yeah. Please don't let me fall. Go! I fall. Mamma mia. Yes. Ooh, almost fell off. Comment in the chat. So, okay, thank you. Let's do this. Easy. Hey. Next. This is sticker. Ooh. Do it. What? What? What am I supposed to jump on? Oh. Oh, I didn't jump on. Ooh. What the hell is that? I hate that game. I was sitting like now. It's right here. I need to beat the game, man. You don't. Oh, yeah. Hello. Wait, what do I do? Oh, I don't know what to do there. You know what? I'm just gonna end the video. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.